What's up you guys, it's Daniel here. It's a quick video, so remember to smash that like button and subscribe to follow the channel. I never post, but anyway, we're doing more in the future. So I just wanted to do a quick another one of the stock market, because 13 months ago I bought some stocks just to try out. I've never bought stocks before. I know some people that buy stocks, so I was gonna try to buy a few shares to put something in. I put something in the market that I'm willing to lose that. Like, it's not something that I'm financially independent on. I don't need that. So I invested £413. That's something I put into the market just to see what happened, what's going to happen to it, just to try it out actually, just see what. And this is going to be a list of what I'm going through, what happened, what has happened 13 months later, what is different, what changed. So I invested in 6 stocks. I bought 6 different I invested in 6 different companies, right? I don't know the number of stocks, I can't remember, but it's a few hundred. And so I'm just going to tell you how it went out. So I'm going to go to word from worst to best. Well, the worst stock that I have is the one I got from free. So it's Royal Dutch Shell, which is a company I don't believe in, or I don't like or anything, because it's a petrol company. They talk about doing more electronic stuff, but then again, I don't know. So actually, my Royal Shell from 13 months ago to now, it's gone down by 3.34%, which is not good for like, because it's losing value, but it might go up again in the future. No, well, I don't know. No one knows. Maybe they know. I don't know. And right now it's worth around £13, 13.27, I think. But anyway, so as soon as that one hits 0, I'm gonna sell that one off. Just leave it. I tend to keep my stocks. Well, I'm new, but I'm going to keep my stocks for a long time, let's say 10 years, just to see what happens. And I think I'm gonna put more into it. Anyways, the next one, so Shell is the worst one, losing value. The next one is actually Coca-Cola, which is such a good company, big company, huge. I thought they were gonna do great because people are buying takeaways and they get Coke with it and whatever. But apparently they're not doing that great, because it's up by 6.72%, which is, but 13 months, 6.72% is not a lot. These percentages I'm giving you may not be accurate to the time you're watching the video, because the market is open now, so they do fluctuate a little bit right now. But anyways, and then a company that I do believe in is Virgin. I think that's gonna fly up in value in 5 years time. Don't know when space travel is possible, so it's not right there yet, but still it's up by 19.65% now. Well, today, now when the market's open. So it's actually, I think it's really good. I'm not talking about Amazon and all that, it's up 200% or something ridiculous, because I didn't want to buy into that. I was not prepared to invest £1,000, anything like that. I wanted to try out with 413, see what happened, and it's turned out really great, to be honest. Yeah, so that's Virgin. I think that's going to do really great in the future, so I'm going to keep that for forever. The next one from that one is Lloyds Bank. It is the bank that I use. I have Lloyds, personal bank. I like it. I think it's fairly simple to use and pretty good. So I'm keeping that for a while. And Lloyds is now up by 23.44%, which is also fairly good. 13 months and it's up that much, which is fairly good. Because if you put the money in the savings account, you get, I don't know, 0 point nothing or 1.2, or you don't get that much. So 23.44 is really good, I think, personally. And then the stock that I said last year is gonna do really well is Disney, because they own everything, they own half the world. So I said that they're gonna be great, and it's doing great, because that's up by 5.18%, which is crazy. I think it's crazy. But they're doing so much with the Disney Plus and and all that, with subscriptions and all that. So that's going to add up the value, and the movies that are coming out now when all the lockdown and everything's over, it's going to be phenomenal. But the company that's doing best is the company that I did like the most. I didn't invest in Nike. Nike has gone boom. I don't know why I didn't buy that one. Anyways, no regrets. The company that's doing the best of my stocks is Volkswagen. The German car companies, they own so many other companies, it's insane. But they're doing best. Those are my best stocks, and they're up by 84.87%. That is phenomenal. But I think they're going to do great, and they're even going to do even better in the future because of their plans to be Tesla's biggest competitor in the future. So I think they're going to be phenomenal. So I invested 14.13% pounds 13 months ago, but the value of those now is 586.75 pounds, which is crazy good. So my pounds are up by 173.59, which is good for doing nothing. I invested in the market, and it's grown by 173.59 for doing nothing. So that's really good. So in percentage wise, that's 41.98%, right? Which is phenomenal. Investing in the stock market is something that I think it's a really good thing to do. It's really a really good investment if you don't need the money. So if you need it to pay your bills, then pay your bills or something like that. But if you want to save money, instead of having a swear jar, why not have a swear stock market or a swear trading account, so that every time you swear, you invest £1. Something like that. That would be amazing, like for kids or something, like for your kids. But anyways, this is not something that I recommend that you do. You're not supposed to follow what I'm doing. I'm telling you what I'm doing. It's not financial advice in any sort. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, and I should do like a video once a year, see what's going, how much is it up by, and what's going on. So thank you so much for watching, and Daniel out.